I want to show you a simple side hustle that uses AI automation software so that you can profit daily without investing in a $997 course or the next guru's coaching program. And this is the same exact model I've shown hundreds of people that were total beginners with no marketing experience, and they've been able to get amazing results with this. And the beautiful thing for you is I have nothing to sell you, no coaching program, no upsell or anything like that. If you just smash the like button and drop a comment down below, I'll actually send you a private link to unlock my free step-by-step course, all my templates, my scripts, plus weekly coaching calls 100% for free with no upsells and no paywall. Okay, now that you smashed the like button and dropped a comment down below so you can get all my freebies and bonuses, let me just show you really quick this exact business model right here. So what we're doing is working with local small business owners, and no, this is not your traditional SMMA where we are charging $1,500 or $2,000 per month per client, because honestly, these small businesses can't afford that high price point. And then what we're going to do is for these small businesses is set them up with one simple service that I have not seen anyone else talk about here on YouTube. Takes about 5 minutes to set up and bring massive value to the business owner right out the gate. And then we charge that client $300 to $500 per month per client. So as we go through and get more clients, we're able to increase the amount monthly recurring revenue that we are generating for our business. So the first step to going through and finding a small local business owner is just heading over here to Google. And for this example, I searched up plumbing businesses in San Antonio, Texas. And so this could be any type of business in any specific area. It could be plumber near me. It could be electrician in Seattle, Washington. It does not matter. And so what we're going to do once we search this up is we're going to come down here and click on more businesses, where we get a list of now hundreds of businesses. Now, the best way to get in touch with these business owners is to contact them in as many ways as possible. And so what I like to do is just come in here to one of these websites right here, and somewhere on the page, almost every website has it, is a list of all their social media accounts. And so if we scroll down here all the way to the bottom, we get a list of all of their different social channels. And so we can just come in here and start selecting all of their different pages and start to follow them, start to like their pages, and then start messaging them on all of these different platforms. Because if we reach out to this business on their Twitter, their Facebook, their LinkedIn page, it is going to be very hard for them to ignore us. And it also shows that we've done our due diligence and that we care and that we actually want to help this business. Now, as far as what we're going to actually say to these business owners once we've hit them up and have followed up with them, the message or the offer that we are going to present to these businesses is, I will build you an AI chatbot that gets you appointments in 14 days with $0 in ads, or you pay nothing. And then we just ask them if they're interested. So the reason that we want to set it up this way is because we want to take all of the risk out of it. For the business, we're telling them if we don't get them appointments, if we don't actually get them results, they don't have to pay a single penny. And we're telling them upfront that we're not going to spend anything on ads, because a lot of these small business owners have been burned in the past by social media marketing agencies that are charging them $2,000 a month plus the $2,000 a month in ad spend. And so we're telling them upfront, if we don't get you results, you don't pay, and there is not a penny in ads that we are going to spend. Now, once we get a business owner to express interest, all we're going to do is send them a link to this pre-built website template. And again, if you smash the like button and drop a comment down below, you'll get this pre-built website template completely for free. But what we're going to do is send them to this page so that they can actually see how this AI chatbot works in action. And so as they're going through and booking an appointment with you, they can see how this AI chatbot could work in their own business. And so what they're going to do is they're just going to click on this button right here, and then they're going to fill out this simple form. So they're going to put in their name, their company name, and then their phone number. And then once they click this button right here, an automatic text is going to be sent to that business owner, where the AI chatbot will actually have a conversation with the business owner to book them on your calendar. So they're seeing firsthand how this AI employee actually works. And so now when they get on a sales call with you, they are already pre-sold because they have proof that the AI employee works. Because if it didn't, they wouldn't be there on the call with you. And so that makes selling the AI employee to these local business owners that much easier, because you don't have to be this amazing salesman. You can just have this AI employee sell itself by booking the business owner on your calendar. Here we are in this simple AI software. And what's so powerful about this software is that you can white label it, which means you can put your own logo, your own branding on the software, connect your own domain and your own payment processor, and keep 100% of the payments. And so if you are charging a small business owner $300 per month, you are not splitting it 50-50 with another software company. You will be taking home $300 every single month, and because you can white label the software and resell it as your own, that means you don't have to hire expensive developers to go through and build a software for you, and you don't need to know how to code. And so how we actually go through and set these business owners up is we are going to go through to settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Then we are going to go to conversation AI. This is the AI employee we are going to be setting up for these business owners that can be trained specific to each individual business that you signed up. So if you signed up a dentist, we can train this AI chatbot to know everything about that dental business, or if it's a landscaping business or a hair salon or lawn care business. How we set up this AI employee right is simply click on Create Bot. Then we are just going to name this bot. So for this example, we are going to name this bot Lori. Then what we are going to next is select the supported channels that we want Lori to work off of. And for the businesses I'm going to be helping, I want this to work on their Facebook page, their Instagram account, their chat widget on their website, because we can add a chat widget so that Lori, the AI employee, can actually have a conversation with the customer on the website and book the appointment for the business owner. So we are just going to select all of these supported channels and make sure that we have this turned on autopilot right here. And then I'm just going to hit save. Next thing we're going to do is come into here and click bot training. And this is where we can actually train the AI chatbot to know everything about the business. You guys, this is so simple right here. All we have to do to set this up is come into the business owner website and copy the URL of the business's website. Paste it right here and then click on get data. So now it's going to take about 15 seconds, gather all the information on the website, so that this AI employee can know everything about the services they offer, what their hours are, who they can schedule their appointments with. So when a customer is asking questions, it can answer intelligently exactly what the business owner would want the AI employee to say. Now that we updated the AI employee with information with this specific business, we are going to come into Test Your Bot and ask it a couple of questions to make sure that it's answering questions in a way that the business owner would be happy with. So I'm going to ask it, what kind of services do you offer? Then I'm going to ask, can I get a consultation? So the whole goal of testing the bot right here is to see how it responds. If we like how it responds to a question, we can thumbs it up. But if we don't like the response to the question, we can actually thumbs it down and give it an alternative response. So when it gets asked by a customer in the future, it can respond accordingly. So now I'm going to ask it one more question. Whom am I speaking to? I'm actually going to thumbs it down because I want this to always follow up with, hello, this is Lori. Do you want to book an appointment for this week? Then I'm going to click on Train Bot. So when that question gets asked in the future, it knows exactly what to say. And so what's super powerful about this AI chatbot is that it just doesn't just answer the question, but it has a job, and that job is to book these customers on the business owner's calendar. So it can answer the question, but should always follow up asking, do you want to book a slot? So these customers can book an appointment. Ultimately, the business owner can book out their calendar without having to lift a finger. As far as messaging back and forth with customers to schedule appointments. So I hope you are able to see how this new AI passive income side hustle really works and how you can serve small local business owners, set them up with simple AI solutions, AI employee that can actually message back and forth to their customers and schedule appointments on their calendars, and how it really takes 5 to 10 minutes to set up one time so you can get paid $300 to $500 per month with minimal to no ongoing fulfillment. And I hope you can envision how you can scale this to 10 clients, to 20 clients, to 50 clients a month, all paying you $300, $500 a month. Because there are hundreds of beginners that have started with minimal experience and no primary marketing experience that has been able to see those kind of results. So again, if you want to get access to the free step-by-step course plus the live bootcamp, you can get this entire business set up in the next 24 hours completely for free and one-on-one kickoff call. All you have to do is smash the like button and drop a comment down below. I'll shoot you over a private link so you can unlock all these freebies and bonuses as promised.